So let's talk DRYLOK. DRYLOK is a moisture barrier that you're able to put down on a foundation, on walls, on concrete that you don't want any water penetration. I've been using this for years and I've had no issues with it. Currently, I'm in a guest room that I am going to be putting vinyl plank down on the floor, and there was a slight area that had moisture that was seeping through the foundation. So after sealing up the cracks, I'm just going to hit it with a coat of DRYLOK, so that way I know everything is protected and it's going to keep that moisture out from underneath the vinyl plank. Now, of course, after it's done, dried, I am going to put a vapor barrier over it to give it a little double protection. But overall, I enjoy using this product because it rolls on easy just like paint, but it then gives you the peace of mind that you're not going to have any issues with any water penetration. So let me put this in the pan and start rolling it out and show you how simple it is to get this down onto the floor. And just like that, you saw how easy it was to install this product. All you have to do is make sure that you prep everything so that way there is no loose debris on the ground itself. Grab yourself a roller and pan, dump it out, and then start rolling. Notice that it was definitely thicker, I don't know if you can see that, than regular paint. So it's gonna not go as far, but keep that in mind when you are rolling. Thanks again for watching. Good luck with your project and have a great day.